Hey folks, it's Ron again. Hey, checking out a little quick unbox here of the phone, the new phone out. First off, we're gonna just open up this package here and see what kind of shape it's in. Just because it doesn't sound like there's much packing inside, so I'm just kind of curious. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but we got deflated plastic here protecting that. Yeah, that's the great packing from Amazon. Is that a 0 out of 50? Anyways, let's get down on here. Check her out. Get back with you. Alrighty. We're back. Taking a look at the new Note 9. As you can see, this is the Lavender version at the 128 gigs. This comes with a few different things. Stereo headset this time. None of the Notes that I previously had came with headset, which, I mean, that's fine, I guess. Nice little magnetic packing here. Alright. Got the, the usuals. SIM card, ejection pin, some manuals. Got the famous sexiness here. It's the Lavender purple version. This here is a USB to male USB to USB-C. We've got the quick charger. It's adaptive, so I mean, if you don't have quick charging, you won't have to worry about it. Got some rubber ear sizes for your AKG headset here. Nice little braided cable. Honestly, doubt I'll use these. What I've been using is these here. It's the Aftershokz Trex Titanium bone conduction headset. The nice USB-C charging cable. Pretty decent length. I'd say it's about 4.5 foot, something like that. 4 foot maybe. This actually came with 2 other devices here. The Dex Pad, which you dock your phone in there. This lays flat on the table, and you've got 2 USB 2.0s, just standard, and HDMI as well, so you can hook it up to your desktop screen. And I've got the Duo charger. You can actually stand your phone up on here, or you can lay it on here, or you can do 2 phones, or you can do a phone and a smartwatch, like one of the Galaxy Gears, which sucks because I've got the Galaxy Fit Pro 2, or Fit 2 Pro, and it doesn't. Yeah, anyways, get this plastic off here. Oh yeah. Currently I'm using the Note 4. Which is what I'm shooting this on. You can see it in the reflection here on Note 4. This is the first boot, obviously, because I just took it out of the box. Alright, looks like we're at 57%. Yeah. Oh, got some. Alright, well, let me put my info in and we'll see what's going on. Alright, took you off the tripod here just to get some hands on top of my razor mat here. Alright, so far I've go ahead and syncing. As you can see, the 32 out of 87 apps, Samsung apps built in. I'll eventually get my watch and stuff hooked up to it, my calendar. Haven't done anything with that yet. There, button and clock. I'm not sure how the always on works. There we go. Double tap the screen to learn how it works. That's one thing I don't really care for so far, is to double tap it to unlock it, but anyway, it's whatever. I said I'm moving from the Note 4 all the way up to this one. It's quite a big jump. So yeah, so far, so we got the dual cams, nice fingerprinty back. It's not really that slick, like I was surprised. Everybody was talking about how slick it's going to be. It is fast and responsive though, I like that. Messages. No messages. Oh yeah, it's just, like I said, a quick look. I'll get my sim and stuff installed, and hopefully that goes all gravy. So yeah, I'll get back to you all once I get more in depth with it and get a look at this and the Dex pad. Probably won't use this a lot, but it also acts as a charging station. So I'll have this on the desk next to the screen and the wireless charger next to the bed. So yeah, that was a good bundle. Like I said, I get physically 3 fast adaptive chargers with USB-C cables, which that alone is a good deal to me, much less the wireless charging. Alright guys, like I said, I'll be back with you. This is Ron. Peace.
Lavender.